All of you clear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Right, right. All of you clear my screen? Presentation screen. Yashwant, clear Yashwant?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Right, 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 right. All of you see. Good. In this session, we see experiment 3, NOR gate, right? CMOS NOR gate. NOR gate states that any one input is high. Any one input is high, output is 0. Right? In NOR gate, any one input is high. Opposite to OR, any one input is high, output is 0. Otherwise, all inputs are high. Sorry, all inputs are low. All inputs are low. Then only output is high. All inputs are low. Then only output is high. Right? See Boolean equation. Input CMOS consists of pull-up network as well as pull-down network. Pull-up network or represents pull-up network or represents series connection in pull-down network or represents parallel connection, right? In pull-up network or represents series connection, in pull-down network or represents parallel connection, right? Output run between pull-up network and pull-down network, right? See the operation. See, A equal to 0, B equal to 0. See, A equal to 0, B equal to 0. P1 acts as a short circuit, P2 acts as a short circuit, then N1 acts as a open circuit, N2 acts as a open circuit. Output is VDD. See, all inputs are short. All inputs are short. In series connection, all inputs are short, then only output is VDD. All inputs are short, then only output is VDD, right? All inputs are short, then only output is VDD. In pull down network, any one input is short, output is VSS, right? See, next case, see, A equal to 0, B equal to 1, right? P1 acts as a open circuit, P2 acts as a short circuit, N1 acts as a open circuit, N2 acts as a short circuit, right? All inputs are short, then only output is VDD. Otherwise, any one input is short. Any one input, is short. Output is VSS. VSS is nothing but 0, right? See, next case, 1 0 1 0. All inputs are short, then only output is VDD. Wrong. Here see, any one input is short, output is VSS, that is nothing but ground, right? Any one input is short in pull down network, any one input is short, output is VSS, right? Third, next fourth, see, any one input is short, output is VSS. Round, any one input is short, output is VSS. Here all inputs are short, then only output is VDD. That is the first case. All inputs are short, P1 acts as a short circuit. All inputs are short, then only output is VDD, right? See, NOR gate connections. All of you know how to change the direction of PMOS like this. Right? All of you know how to change the direction of PMOS like this, right? Control E, Control R, Control R. Control E means mirror image, then right, right? All of you know how to change the direction of PMOS like this. How to change the direction of NMOS like this? By using just control E. This is only for connection convenient. This is only for AB connection convenient. There is no need to change the direction of this NMOS. Only change the direction of this NMOS, right? Ma, all of you put off your audio. Right? See, in third year A section, sorry, not E section, in third year A section folder, nor dot AC. AC stands for schematic, right? The schematic consists of two PMOSes, two NMOSes, 5 label nets and wires, right? Nor dot ASY, that is nothing but symbol. This symbol consists of lines, circle, arc plus 4 pins, right? 4 pins, right? Nor test dot ASC, test circuit. Test circuit consists of symbols, 3 voltage sources, 2 for input, 1 for DC voltage, and 4 grounds, and 5 label nets and wires, right? Right, all of you clear? Ashwant? Now let's see how to draw these NOR schematic using LT Spice. Gayatri, okay, right. All of you clear my LT Spice screen? LT Spice screen. All of you clear? Ashwant, it's a clear LT Spice screen?
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. Go to file, see, new schematic. All of you do parallelly with me. All of you do. Ashwant.
Yes, sir.
Right. Gayatri. Right. See, new schematic. Go to file, new schematic. Right, new schematic. Right, file, save as. Go to third year A section folder. If you go to third year A section folder, particular folder, third year A section folder, name, change name, file name, NOR, right? Or save, right? See all of you, save. Go to component icon, PMOS, pick PMOS, 2 PMOSes, then escape, go to component icon, NMOS, 2 NMOSes, right? Zoom out, right? 2 PMOSes and 2 NMOSes, right? How to change the direction of PMOS? Select it, just select it, Control E, Control R, right? Next, this one also same. Select it, Control E, Control R, 2 PMOSes over. Next, how to change the direction of NMOS? Select it, just Control E. This is only for connection convenient. Just Control E. Control E. Ashwant completed up to here. Ashwant and Gayatri.
One minute.
Okay. Likita. Sai Likita. Sumant completed.
Doing, sir.
Okay. See how to change direction of P mass. Just Control E, Controller. Then these also same. Control E, Controller. How to change direction of N mass? Just Control E. Mirror image of this. Control E. This is only for connection convenient. N mass. This is a pull-up network. This is a pull-down network. Right. Control E, Control R. This one also same. Control E, Control R. Control E stands for mirror image. Control R, rotate right. This is only Control E. Am I completed?
Yes, sir.
Right. Likita, Gayatri completed.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Right. Next. See. Right. Go to wire. Pick wire icon. Pull up network connection. Pull up network in series connection. M1 and M2 are in series connection. Whereas pull down network, both are in parallel. A parallel with B. Parallel connection. Right? Series connection. Right? Series connection. Then parallel connection. Series connection. Parallel connection. Output draw between pull up network and pull down network. Connect pull up network and pull down network. Right? Next. Go to label net. All of you see pull up network connection. This is a pull up network connection. Pull down network connection. Both are in parallel. Connect pull up network and pull down network. Output run between pull up network and pull down network. Right? Next. Go to label net. How many label nets we need? 5 label nets. 4 for inputs and 1 for output. Right? For input A. Go to label net. A. Right? Go to label net. A input, place here. Right? Escape. Go to label net. B also input port. Right? Place here. Escape. Go to label net. VDD also input. Escape. Go to label net. VSS. This is also input. Right? Next, go to label net. Y, output direction. Change port type. Output port direction. Output direction. Output run between pull up network and pull down network. Right? Place here. Escape. Zoom out. Save. See, connections. VDD connection. right? VDD. Next, VSS. VDD connected to pull-up network. VSS connected to pull-down network. Then next, all of you observe clearly. See, go to wire A connection. A connection. A. This is A. Next, B. A series. AB are in series connection. These are A B. Right. See, next. Right. Next, see, go to A connection. A. Right. Next, B. A parallel connection. A B. Right. See, AB in series, AB in parallel. In pull-up network in series, pull-down network in parallel. Pull-up network consists of P masses, pull-down network consists of N masses, right? A, then B. A, B parallel, right? AB in series, A connection, B connection, right? Next, output connection, right? All of you complete up to here. I will wait 5 minutes. All of you complete up to here, right? 11:50 up to 11:50. Wait. AB, P masses and N masses pick from component icon, right? Label nets pick from label net icon, right? Wires from this icon, right? Wire icon, right? In NOR gate, pull-up network represents series connection, pull down represents parallel connection, opposite to NAND. Output run between pull-up network and pull-down network. All of you complete up to here. యశ్వంత్ స్క్రీన్ క్లియర్ గా ఉందా యశ్వంత్?
Yes, sir.
ఎల్టీ స్పేస్ స్క్రీన్ కనబడుతుందా మీకు?
కనపడుతుంది.
రైట్. Next, Ma Sumant completed up to here. Sumant, Gayatri.
Yes, sir, completed.
Completed. Right. 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 Next. See all of you. Go to file. Go to file. New symbol. Go to file. All of you. See new symbol. New symbol. Next. File. Next. Go to file. Save as. Save as. Nor. Same name. Same name. Same folder. Same folder. Third year A section folder only. Right. Right. Save. Same folder. Right. Next. All of you observe clearly. See. Go to draw. All of you go to draw. Take arc. Take arc. Select any one particular dot and drag like this. Right. Next. Select it. Select at any particular point. Draw like this. Right. Next. Move. Select it. Select, then Control E. Then Control E. Right. See once again, all of you see once again. Go to draw. Pick one arc. Select any one particular point. Draw arc like this. Then select any one particular point. Draw like this. Cursor move like this. Right. Click. Right. Then go to move. Select it. Select it. Then Control E. Control E. That's it. Am I clear, all of you? Sumant, completed. Try. Gayatri.
Yes, sir.
Completed, Amma. Completed.
Yes, sir.
Right. Likita. Likita.
Yes, sir.
Right. Ashwant.
Yes, sir.
Sumant. Sumant, are you
Sir.
there? Huh?
Yes.
Sumant, completed. Sumant. Right. Right. Okay. Okay. Sumant. Right. Next. Next. Go to draw. Select another arc. Select another arc. Or draw like this. Arc draw like this. Then click at one particular point and draw like this. Right. Then select it. Select it. Control E. Control E. And place here. Right. Our symbol. Right. Or see once again. Go to draw. Take arc. Select particular point. Draw like this. Draw like this. Then select in particular point and cursor move like this. Select it. Then go to move. Then Control E. Control E. Then place here. That's it. two arcs by using two arcs. Ma complete అయిందమ్మా సుమంత్ యశ్వంత్ సుమంత్ కంప్లీట్ అయిందా యశ్వంత్ సుమంత్ కంప్లీటెడ్
So 1 minute.
ఓకే రైట్ 3 minutes వెయిట్ చేస్తా చేయండి అమ్మా all of you see once again draw one arc, select any particular point, draw like this, right? Draw like this, then go to arc, select any particular point, right? Right? Next, click at particular point. See once again, go to arc, select one small arc, right? Then click here, rotate like this, right? Next, select control E, then control E, right? After that, draw another arc, draw one arc like this, right? Move cursor like this, then select it, control E and place here. That's it. Complete అయిందా యశ్వంత్
Yes, sir.
రైట్ యశ్వంత్ సుమంత్
సార్ అయింది
రైట్ అమ్మా గాయత్రి కంప్లీట్ అయిందమ్మా
Yes, sir.
రైట్ శ్రీ లిఖిత
Sir. Yes, sir.
రైట్ అమ్మా రైట్ ఓకే రైట్ సేవ్ దెన్ go to draw, select one circle, draw one circle, right? Same like NAND not. Go to move, select this object, then move. That's it. See once again, go to draw, select circle, draw one circle, go to move, select this object, then move, move and place, right? Next, see all of you, draw, edit, add pin or press P, add pin or press P, A direction, left side, A. Next, press P, B also same, left side, inputs left side, Next, press P. VDD at top. VDD top. VSS bottom. Press P. Press P. VSS at bottom. Right? VSS bottom. Right? Next, press P or add pin. Y output at right side. Right, output right side. Next, line. Go to line or press L. Line or press L. Input connection. Right. Next, draw line. AB inputs. Both are inputs. Right. Next, draw line VDD. Right. Escape. Draw line VSS. Line not here, I think. Go to draw line. Right. Next, draw. Select line. Y. Output Y. Draw line. Straight line again. Right. See all of you. All of you complete up to here. 2 minutes wait చేస్తాము చేయండి. Two arcs. Symbol consists of two arcs. One circle and wires. These pins from edit, add pin or press P. Add pin or press P. A, B both are in left side. VDD top, VSS bottom, right side. Output right side. Ma Sumant, I completed. Sumant.
Yes, sir.
Yashwant.
Yes, sir.
Right. Ma Gayatri.
Yes, sir.
Right. Likita.
Yes, sir.
Right. Right. Next. Next, file, go to file, new schematic. It's not a symbol, test circuit is a schematic. New schematic, file, save as nor underscore test, right? Please observe carefully. Please change your folder, your regular folder, third year A section folder only. Go to, once again we observe, always we observe folder name, third year A section folder. Please same folder, right? Third year A section folder, right? Save. Right? Next, go to component icon. Here, see, please change the path. See, all of you, C section username, user desktop, third year A section, folder. Pick your NOR symbol. NOR symbol అంటే ప్రీవియస్ సెషన్ లో ఇన్వర్టర్ చేశాను, ఎండ్ చేశాను, ఇప్పుడు నార్ సేమ్ ఫోల్డర్ లో చేసేవాడిని. అందుకని ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, నార్ చేస్తున్నాం. యు పిక్ నార్, రైట్? ప్లేస్ హియర్. మా సుమంత్ అందరు ప్లేస్ చేశారా? సుమంత్, ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ, ఎవరికైనా రాలేదా? యశ్వంత్
Yes, sir. Yes.
వచ్చిందమ్మా, రైట్ రైట్. సుమంత్
Sir, వచ్చింది సార్.
రైట్ అమ్మా. గాయత్రి,
Yes, sir.
రైట్ అమ్మ. లిఖిత,
Yes, sir.
రైట్ అమ్మ, రైట్. Next, go to component icon, change your regular path, go to regular path, then voltage sources, 3 voltage sources, 2 for input, 1 for DC voltage, right? 3 voltage sources, pick from regular path, voltage, select voltage, right? 3 voltage sources, then 4 grounds, no, ground icon, 4 grounds, place 1 ground here, 4 grounds. This is from component, voltage pick from component icon, right? Grounds from this icon, ground icon. 4 grounds, 3 for voltage sources, 1 for VSS, right? 3 voltage sources, right? Correct. Connections, go to wire, V1 connected, V1 to A, right? Next, V2 connect to B, right? VDD to V3, 3 voltage sources, right? VSS to ground, that's it. Next, go to label net, pick A input, place here. Next, go to label net, B input, B. Next, go to label net, VDD also input, right? Next, go to label net, VSS also input. Next, go to label net, Y port direction, output port, place here, right? Wire, right? All of you, please complete up to here. 3 voltage sources from component icon, grounds from ground icon, label nets A, B, VDD, VSS, Y pick from label net icon, right? Wire from wire icon. 2 voltage sources for input, 1 for DC voltage, right? Two minutes wait చేస్తే డ్రా చేయండి. These voltage sources from component icon, regular path voltage, right? Grounds from ground icon, label nets A, B, these label nets from label net icon. యశ్వంత్ కంప్లీట్ అయిందమ్మా. యశ్వంత్ కంప్లీటెడ్,
అయింది సార్.
రైట్. సుమంత్
ఎస్ సార్, అయింది సార్.
మా గాయత్రి లిఖిత
Yes, sir.
completed, right. Next, right click, go to voltage source, right click, go to advanced pulse, 0 same as NAND, 0 5 microseconds, 1 nano, 10 micro, 21 micro. If you see 0, 5 U, 1 nano, 1 nano, 10 U, 21 U, same as NAND. 0, 5 micro, 1 nano, 10 micro, 21 micro, right? See, next V2, go to advanced, same, right click, advanced pulse, 0, 5 micro, 1 nano, 5 micro, 6 micro. A few 0, 5 U, 1 nano, 5 micro, 6 micro, right? Next, DC voltage, right click, just 5 volts, DC voltage 5 volts, right? Complete అయిందమ్మా up to here. All of you completed up to here. Yashwant?
1 minute.
Okay. See once again, pulse V1, 0, 5 micro, 1 nano, 10 micro, 21 micro. Next, V2, 0, 5 micro, 1 nano, 5 micro, 6 micro, right? DC voltage just 5 volts. DC voltage 5 volts. సుమంత్ సుమంత్ కంప్లీట్ అయిందమ్మా సుమంత్
సార్
రైట్ సుమంత్ రైట్ యశ్వంత్ కంప్లీటెడా
ఎస్ సార్
రైట్ అమ్మ గాయత్రి
Yes, sir.
రైట్ లిఖిత
Yes, sir.
రైట్ అమ్మ రైట్ నెక్స్ట్ రన్ 21U 21 micro then 0 21U0 right. Okay, see all of you. Schematic, symbol, then test circuit, right? Click A input, click B input, next output, click Y, right? So maximize it, add plot plane, another add plot plane, drag VA, drag VB. See all of you. All inputs, any one input is high, output is 0. You see, any one input is high, output is 0. Any one input is high, output is 0. See, all inputs are 0. Then only output is high. All inputs are 0. Then only output is high. Right? See, all inputs are low. VA low, VB low. All inputs are low. Then only output is high. Right? All inputs are low. Then only output is high. Any one input is high, output is low. Right? మా యశ్వంత్ అవుట్పుట్ వచ్చిందమ్మా అందరికి. యశ్వంత్, సుమంత్, గాయత్రి.
ఎస్ సార్ వచ్చింది సార్.
రైట్. సుమంత్, ప్లీజ్ షేర్ యువర్ స్క్రీన్. సుమంత్,
సార్
రైట్ సుమంత్. రైట్. ఓకే. Let someone stop your presentation. Next. Gayatri, please share your screen, Gayatri. Good, Gayatri. Right, Amma. Okay, stop. Next, Kirtana. Kirtana, please share your screen. Likita, sorry, Likita. Sai
Yes, sir.
Likita. Please share your screen. Right. Okay, thank you. Okay, stop presenting. Likita, next.
సార్ అవుట్పుట్ సరిగ్గా రాలేదు.
అవునా? షేర్ చేయి యశ్వంత్, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఒకసారి షేర్ చేయి, ఎక్కడ మిస్టేక్ వచ్చిందో చూద్దాం. Right, Yashwant. వాల్యూస్ మిస్టేక్ ఇచ్చి ఉంటావు అంతే. ఒక్కసారి టెస్ట్ సర్క్యూట్ ఓపెన్ చేయి యశ్వంత్. ప్లీజ్ ఓపెన్ టెస్ట్ సర్క్యూట్ అండ్ వాల్యూస్. ఓకే 055U1 nano 110 right. 05U1 nano 1 nano 5U5 right. Okay, right. Schematic Yashwant, schematic. Open schematic. NMOS, PMOS. It's connected to NMOS, right? Okay. Test circuit ke liye Yashwant, test circuit. Okay. 5051 వేవ్ ఫార్మ్స్ ఓపెన్ చేయి ఒకసారి. వై ఒక్కసారి క్లిక్ చేయి యశ్వంత్. వై ఒక్కసారి అంటే టెస్ట్ సర్క్యూట్ లో వై ప్రెస్ చేయి. జస్ట్ క్లిక్ వై, జస్ట్ యాడ్ ప్లాట్ చేసి వై డ్రాగ్ చేసేయండి. వై చేశారా?
ఎస్ సార్ అక్కడ
వచ్చింది కదా యశ్వ, కరెక్టే కదా?
ఎస్ సార్.
అంటే నువ్వు వేరే, నాకు తెలిసి వేరే ఎలిమెంట్ ని క్లిక్ చేసినట్టుంది, అందుకే. రైట్ యశ్వంత్, రైట్. ఓకే, CM, all of you see symbol consists of lines, one circle, two arcs, pins, right? Symbol, voltage sources, label and wires, right? See applications of NOR gate: mixer, general purpose NOR gate, logic operations. By using NOR you design XOR and inverter, that's right, digital electrons, ALUs, memory elements, networking and digital systems. We'll see one example, practical example. Mixer, see, two containers, one container consists of milk, one container water. See, both tankers are empty. Both tankers, milk and water tankers, are empty. Empty means zero. Both inputs are zero. Then motor start rotation, that mixing. Then motor start rotation, mixing. Both as a NOR gate acts as a mixer, used in mixer applications. Both tankers are empty. Both inputs are zero. Then only output is high. High means the motor start rotation, then mix. That's a practical application, right? See, all inputs are zero. Then only you get VDD. VDD is nothing but 5 volts. After getting 5 volts, motor start rotation, then mix, right? These are the applications of NOR gate. One practical application, right? See, NOR schematic, NOR symbol, NOR test circuit. These are waveforms, right? Close. See, all of you, third year A section folder and third year A section folder I'm using. See, in this folder, all inverter symbol, inverter test circuit. Next, NAND gate symbol, NAND gate test circuit. All are in same folder. Right? Next, NOR nor symbol, nor test, right?